Hello friends, today we are going to know about a new module, and that is Marketplace Stripe Payment Gateway for Magento 2. Now this is an add-on for Webcool Magento 2 Marketplace. This payment module splits the payment from the customer between the sellers and the admin. By the help of this payment gateway, the customer can also save the card for their future payment, and the seller can also do the online refund. So now let's move to the installation part. Once you have downloaded the module from a store, you will be getting it in a zip format. You have to unzip it and then you will be getting the SRC folder. Just click on the SRC folder, you will be getting the app folder. You have to upload the app folder into your Magento 2 root directory, and then you are done with the installation part. Now let's move to the configuration part. Now this is my admin panel. Just follow the path, go to store, configuration, and then under sales menu you will be getting the payment methods. Just click on the payment methods. Now you can see Marketplace Stripe payment. You can enable or disable this module. You can set the title which will appear on the checkout debug mode as production or sandbox. You can enter the APIs key, and then you can set name display on the form. This is the Stripe pop-up form, and you can set image from, like, you can set from your local, and then this particular image will appear on Stripe payment pop-up at the checkout page. You can set the new order status. You can select this payment option for all allowed country or specific country, and then you can set minimum order total. And by default the Stripe allows the minimum order value, that is 0.50 USD, so you cannot enter the value below 0.50 USD. And this is the maximum order total, and this is the sort order. And after entering your details, you have to just save configuration. Now after saving the configuration, now let's move to the seller panel. Now this is my seller panel. So you will be getting a menu called Connect to Stripe. Just click here, and then you will be getting Connect with Stripe button. Just click on here, and then you will be redirected to the Stripe site. And you can see you have to enter your product details. You have to select your country from this drop down. You have to enter your account details, your personal details, your credit card statement details, your bank details, and then you have to enter your password, and then you have to click here to authorize this account with the Stripe. And when you are done, then you will be redirected back to the site, and then you will be having this option, update account information. In case you need to change any details, then you can click here and you can update. It is very mandatory for the seller to have a Stripe account, and if the seller is not having his Stripe account, then the order will not be placed using this Stripe payment method. If a customer is adding seller A product and seller B product, and if seller A has a Stripe account and seller B doesn't have a Stripe account, then they cannot make the payment with this payment method, because you need to have this Stripe account enabled and activated for the sellers end also. Move to the customer panel. Now this is my customer panel. So I will just order this product. And I will add this product into the cart. And now just go to the cart page. And then we can go to the checkout page. So this is my checkout page. You can see the order summary, you can see your shipping address, and based on your shipping address you can see the shipping method. So I will select the shipping method and I will click on next. And then you can see MP Stripe. This is the title which we have entered from the admin panel. Now you can see these two are the already saved card, and if you want you can add a new card as well from here. Click here. Now this is the image which we have set from the backend. This is the form title. This is my email ID. I will enter my card number. And now you can see, so I will just select the card and I will save this card as well for the future payment, and then I will place the order. Now you can see the order has been placed. Now let's move to the seller and admin panel and we can see the order details. Now this is my admin panel, so we can see the order. It is in processing state, so we'll click on view button. And then you can see the generated invoice. And you can also see the transaction details. So this is the transaction detail. So now let's move to the seller panel and let's see how the seller can do the refund. Now this is my seller panel. So just go to my order history. And then you can see the processing state. So just click on view. Now you can see the invoice. So now you can have to generate the credit memo for this particular order. So just click here. And then you can just enter the quantity to refund. You can just enter credit memo comments. You can enter the refund shipping. You can enter adjustment refund. You can enter adjustment fee, and here you can do the online refund. Now after clicking on refund button, you can see that amount has been refunded and you can see the quantity refunded as well. So this is all about this payment module. If you have any doubt regarding this module, you can just raise a support ticket at support@webcool.com. Thank you very much.